Welcome to another episode of Total Makeover.
So we're gonna start by the box of electronics and gears in original of our lathe, because gears will be in the same place but electronics we will do in some different manner, and you will see it later. So yeah, let's start doing it. As you see, this is the final result of it, and let's go through the whole path of making it to the final effect. So first we have to remove the old paint from the parts, and we're doing that by the chemical named paint stripper, and what it does, it just strips the old paint from the parts, like no big deal. Now as the chemical did its job, now that has to do his job. So he is sanding, he is filing, and he's correcting the old holes. From all the parts the paint was stripped, but there is one stubborn part, and this is the part which blocks the work of the lathe if you don't put it down. And finally, even the stubborn part got stripped from the paint. Now that is also straightening the part and taking care of it as he did with all of the parts. Now as we got our parts ready, like firstly, now we have to make the handles for them to paint them, of course. So we will do that for each element. And now as we got our handles ready, we are ready to paint, and let's go with this. And now we painted them, so let's go to the oven. So this was the first coat, and now we have to sand this coat because we want to make sure all the edges will be painted nicely. So this is what that is doing actually now. He's sanding all the pieces and preparing them for the second coat of the paint. So we paint again, and again to the oven we go. Now finally, with all of the troubles, we got our final effect. Just as you saw at the start of the video, we finally made it. Now let's start working on a different part of our lathe, and that is a wheel of our tailstock. And when you move it, you will move the tailstock extension out. Now to all of the different parts of the wheel we will apply the same process, and that is to first dip it in solvent and then wipe it with a towel. After we apply that process to a handle of our wheel, now we'll do the same with the main wheel. The purpose of this wheel is to extend the lathe tailstock. When you spin the wheel, the metal bar will go out, and this is the extension of the tailstock of the lathe. Now we're gonna take care of a little screw, which you could see here, and it is a screw that holds the handle to the wheel. Now with our wheel we go to the lathe. The funny thing is that we use lathe to make things for the lathe. Kinda funny. Now we flip it to the other side and start working on that side of the wheel. Now we're gonna make our way to make something new, like renovate the new element of the lathe, and that is the extension of the tailstock of lathe. And as you see on the tailstock there are some numbers, and that puts some paint on top. Now he's gonna sand it so the paint will stay inside the numbers but will not be outside. And so, as I said, we get rid all of the stuff, all of the paint from the bar of metal by sandpapers, by towels and stuff like that. And finally we are ready. So now let's go to the other topic. And that topic is building a press, hydraulic press. So we're gonna start by cutting some C metal profiles. At first we wanted to use screws to bind together the profiles, but screwing holes in these profiles were a real pain, and when I mean pain, I mean this. So we decided that we're gonna weld the profiles together and not use screws. Now we weld the top of the press. Now let's go to the bottom of the press and from the bottom to this side of the press. Gotta tell you that all of these welds were really nice welds, like they were really nice to weld. And because of that I could do some nice welds. I guess they look nice. But you can say what you think in the comments. Now on the other hand, these were one of the hardest welds on the whole build because it was very narrow there and hard to maneuver your hands. And now you can see the gap between how the press looked at the start and how the press looks now. Okay guys, so this is enough for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you like that video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see you in next one.